Court does call the case of Westridge Mobile Home Park versus Cindy Alvarado Lopez.
In today's hearing at the 14A District Court in Washtenaw County, a simple eviction case suddenly turned into a moment no one expected. From surprise approvals to emotional explanations, the judge had to make fast decisions that would change people's lives. What happened in this room shows how real, raw, and unpredictable housing court can be.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Gabriel Lacey for Westridge Mobile Home Park.
And your name?
Cindy Alvarado.
And where are we?
Thank you, Your Honor. I did get an opportunity to speak to Ms. Alvarado Lopez, and we have entered into a consent judgment where the defendant has agreed to pay $1,000 today, plus the arrears plus her December rent on or before December 5th.
Okay. Is that all correct?
Yes.
And you think you can get that done? Okay.
I did advise her of her rights under MCR 4.201 subsection J.
And how's your family elsewhere doing? Huh? Good. Okay. I will grant that judgment by consent. All right. If you'd like a copy of it, you can pick it up front at the front counter. All right. Fantastic. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a happy Thanksgiving.
You do the same, Miss Liz.
I did bring those M&Ms.
What?
I brought some M&Ms.
Oh, they were M&Ms?
Yes, I do.
See, but you can't just be giving me M&Ms. You have to give them to everybody.
Just saying.
And the last person that brought M&Ms, Fantera ate them all, and nobody got it.
Have a good holiday.
Take care. I thought they were jelly beans.
Not that I wouldn't, but I don't think I did.
Homestead Commons versus Elisa Gray.
Brad, take us later.
Hello,
Hello, your name?
Elisa Gray.
All right. Where are we on this case?
Right now, I'm showing $3,664.90 is owed. There's cost of $175, so the grand total is $3839.90 right now.
All right.
Oh.
How were you attempting to try to get this done?
Well, I had an appointment at Washtenaw County Services, Veteran Services,
Yes, ma'am.
on Tuesday. And so I met with Audrika Jacobs, and it was approved, so I was approved to take care of the balance outside of the 175.
The court costs.
Yes, yes,
So the VA is going to take care of your balance.
yes.
All right. And so what about December? How's that?
December is all set. I have shallow subsidy, and then I have the rest, so I have that.
All right. Did they give a time frame on when they'd?
No, she just I asked her to, the property manager, Kendra, asked that they send it to the address that was on the W-9. I sent that message over to Audrika, and she said, instead of that, because UPS is really slow, she'll just contact me when it's ready. I can pick it up.
Pick it up
and take it over.
Take it over.
Yeah. So I don't have a definite date as to when that's going to
I
happen.
got you. That's fine.
Okay.
What I'm going to do under the circumstances is I'll adjourn this out. Did you want me to put it on the 5th or the 12th council? It looks like everything's going to be taken care of. It's up to you.
Judge, I'm sorry.
You want the 5th or the 12th?
The 5th is fine.
The 5th? Okay. So I'll adjourn this, ma'am, to December 5th, 2025 at 3 p.m. Hopefully, if everything's paid and December is taken care of in some way, then they may be able to, because I think it's a possession on the case dismissal.
Oh, okay. So if it's paid, do I still?
You've got to make sure that everything's paid.
Right.
it might be better that you just make sure to come back.
Okay,
It's gonna be dismissed, it's gonna be dismissed, but that way you're not here in a default dinner, because I hate
that part, that we don't want that.
Okay.
Okay, all right, thank you.
All right. She's Air Force,
Yes,
huh? Yeah, no, she was Air
Yeah.
Force.
yes, I was.
How many years were you?
4,
4 years?
yes.
See, we don't get many folks in the Air Force. We get Army. We don't have many people from the Navy. We had a couple Marines.
Army.
What do you say?
No, Air Force, we're the best.
Wow. Well, I mean, how do you feel about it? I mean, yeah, they're the best and humble. No. All right. And you have a blessed Thanksgiving. Take care. Orchard Grove versus Carol Eberly.
Granting the plaintiff.
Carol Eberly? Not here?
Not.
All right, like to Paul, if you would, you may raise your right hand, please. Do you solemnly swear or affirm testimony you're about to give will be the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Go ahead, sir.
Judge, I'm looking at the balance here, and actually, it's very low. It looks like there was a recent payment. It's only a $69 balance plus cost. I think I'd rather just put this over.
All right, very good. Adjourn it to December 5th, 2025, 9 a.m. or 3 p.m.
Very good, thank you.
Orchard, he's just going to put it over. Orchard Grove versus Georgia Lahire.
Granting the plaintiff.
Hello. State your name. He's going to yell at you about that.
No.
Okay, yeah.
Nicole Lahiri.
All right. And where are we on this case?
As far as rent, I've got $1,818.59 owed. There's $270 of costs. The total is $2,088.59.
All right, that's where we were on that date. Did you pay the $935?
Yeah, I've paid 15. Can I look at my phone?
I'm talking since the 14th of November.
Yeah. 1520.
When did you pay that?
I've been dropping off money orders throughout, I with Patrice earlier this week, and then I dropped off another one this morning for $300.
So since the 14th, since you were last here, you paid $1,500?
Yes.
So that means you owe about $600.
Yeah, when I spoke to, which is fine, it's just throwing me off when she calculated my balance. She probably forgot maybe the court fees, because she thought it was like 400 or something.
Okay.
So
how are you going to take care of the rest of the balance?
my job.
Okay. Sometimes you just ask a bad question. So when are you going to pay the rest of this?
I could pay it next week. My only concern is I'm coming back to work, and I really kind of need to pay my car note. But
Got it.
if not,
Here's what I'm going to do. So you paid that $1,500.
yes, they have that.
I don't have confirmation of that, Judge.
Or you don't have
I
confirmation.
don't.
All right. What I'm going to do
Patrice
is
is out of the office. Sorry.
I'm going to find no tribal issue. I'm going to grant a judgment for possession. I'll explain why I'm doing that. Okay.
Okay.
For that total amount of $2,088.54. You paid 15, so we're at about the $600 figure that would need to be paid. So your paycheck coming up this week is what you were going to use to do what you did.
Yeah, I mean, and yes,
Okay. Then when is your next paycheck?
I get paid weekly on Tuesday nights, so I could have it in, or make my payments on Wednesdays.
Okay, so the 3rd you could have it,
Yeah.
which would be that one. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll do this. I'm going to change the written date on this council to December 5th. I'm going to give her till that Friday to
That's fine, Judge.
get this all paid.
Okay.
Okay?
Can I ask a question? Now,
No. Yes, go ahead. I'm sorry.
I think I understand why you're doing this, but
I'm doing it so that you understand. I'm doing it to freeze the number
okay.
so that December doesnhave in and then you.
And then I can pay it all in 1 week.
That's it.
All right. Thank you. It's always a pleasure.
Take care, man. Have a good holiday. Court calls the case of Pines and Clover Lane versus Evan DeCusson.
Brenton.
Cusson? No response. You may proceed.
Thank you, Judge. At this time, we would move for a default possession penalty. Right now, I'm showing a rent to retain of $2,856.54, cost of $175, for a total of $3,031.54, written 10 days.
Judgment to the plaintiff. That's by default for possession redemption amount in the amount requested with the writ issue in 10 days.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, sir. Have a good holiday.
You too.
Bishop Pickering, LLC versus Mohammed Sikse.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. David Fanter on behalf of the plaintiff.
Your name, sir? All right. And where are we on this?
We have a consent judgment, Your Honor. The amount of rent that's owed is $455. Court cost of $175 for a total of $630. He said he can pay that sometime next week, so we gave him till the 1st. He signed this, and I advised him of his rights under the courtroom.
Sir, is all of that correct?
That's right.
All right. Do you have any questions regarding anything on the judgment?
No.
All right. The court will sign this judgment by consent. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Court calls the case Bushwood Properties LLC versus Austin Zamora.
Your Honor, Mr. Zamora, I don't think is here. Oh, he is.
No, he's right there. Your name, sir?
Austin Zamora.
All right.
Mr. Zamora applied through the VA, and it's my understanding that he's been approved because he came to my client's office to get bank account information because they're going to make the check that way.
Okay.
We don't have it yet, so if we could just adjourn it a couple of weeks.
Okay.
I think what they told him that they were going to pay not only the past due balance, but December also.
Right.
So if we could.
Is that what they indicated?
That is what they said. Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. And looking at his balance, I get that. I
It
wonder,
was 2145.
yeah, I don't. Why didn't they do that for the Air Force? I think it's an Army bias. No.
I don't think so.
I don't think so. Yeah, I saw him cringe when she said the thing about Air Force being the best. We thought we were going to have a fight back there, but he didn't. All right. Sarah, I'll adjourn your case out to December 5th,
All right.
2025 at 3 p.m. If they paid and you can verify that they paid, I don't need to have you down here. Okay. But if they haven't paid, then you need to come down.
Sounds good.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Thanks.
Court calls case Bushwood Properties versus Crystal Duck. She's
Hello.
hello, Ms. Duck. All right. Where are we on this case?
I think this one's the lesson that says do not use. What's the don't
To send a
time.
check.
Oh, what happened?
Well, that money never appeared. So
I
she
had
put
to
a stop,
cancel. Yeah.
and then she sent $2,400 by UPS yesterday, which I haven't been able to verify, but she's also got an application in through
SER.
FDR, so which would pay the balance. So I'm confident we'll have this resolved when we come back on the 5th.
All right. All of that correct, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
I remember Mr. Pantera asking the question and my response when you said, well, I don't
I
understand.
sent it for chime.
How does chime work?
And you said not very well.
Apparently not very well. I don't know.
Apparently
You
not.
want to double down on that, Your Honor?
Pardon?
You want to double down on that one?
No, I'm not. I'm gonna leave what I said alone. I can't.
Well, you were
December
right.
5th, 2025 at 3 p.m. All right, good stuff. Have a good holiday.
All right, you too. Thanks.
Bushwood Properties versus Antonia Benton.
David Fantari, you have the plaintiff. We're going to adjourn this one also. There's a balance on this one of $880. SOS is going to be dropping off a payment of $580 this afternoon. And then St. Vincent de Paul is going to pay another $300.
Got it.
So if we could adjourn it to the 5th, I'm confident we're going to have all the money in before then.
December 5th.
And also, just for the record, this involves a Section 8. He has a very small portion. He's applied for a hardship, which SOS tried to get him to fill out. That will cover him going forward so that he won't have a portion for a while.
Got it. December 5th, 2025 at 3 p.m. Andy McFiddish, LLC versus Leslie Brown.
This wasn't supposed to be dramatic, but it became unforgettable. Tenants revealing financial struggles, last-minute payments, and the judge balancing compassion with the law. One statement after another shifted the entire courtroom. Watch how a normal docket turned into a powerful moment of truth inside Michigan's 14A District Court.
Okay.
Leslie Brown.
Thank you.
Your Honor, in this case, there's rent owing in the amount of $1,139, court cost of $175 for a total of $1,314. We've agreed that that amount has to be paid by December 1st or he can be evicted, and I advise him of his rights under the courtroom.
Sir, is all of that correct?
Right.
Do you have any questions regarding anything contained on this judgment? All right. I will enter that judgment for 1314 by consent. Thank you. Court calls case of Sandy McFiddish versus Lindsay Love.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Name?
Lindsay Love.
Good afternoon.
Your Honor, we have a consent judgment on this one also. The amount of rent that's owed is $3,200, court cost of $175 for a total of $3,375. Ms. Love called me yesterday, said she needed till the 8th. To be sure, I gave her till the 8th. I advised her rights under the courtroom.
Is all of that correct?
Yes, anything.
Do you have any questions regarding anything contained on this judgment? All right, I will enter that judgment by consent for that total amount of $3,375.
Thank you.
Payable by the 8th.
Thanks.
All right, thank you, ma'am.
Happy Hanukkah.
And to you. $103 South Huron, LLC versus Joshua Bertram.
Afternoon, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we've got a consent judgment on this also. The amount of rent that's owed is $335, court cost of $175 for a total of $510. Mr. Bertram and I signed. He's got till the 1st to pay that, and I advise him of his rights under the court rule.
All of that correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions regarding anything contained on the judgment?
That's paid. Will I need to appear?
Well, I didn't give you another court date. You want to come back and see me or what?
Dude, I do like seeing you.
All right. Well, you won't need to come back. All you have to do is get this paid, then you're all set on this case. All right. Thank you, sir. Have a great, yes, you too. And then I have Ian Greenlee versus Michael Bailey and 22 Barker Road LLC versus Smoke Shop and Vapes LLC. Those matters are dismissed. Thank you, sir.
Have a great weekend. and a
Yes.
good holiday. Well, tomorrow, nobody's
You
even
want to
mentioned,
know what? You want to start talking about tomorrow? You want to know what?
nobody's done it.
Sometimes, I wrote a story about a turtle that stomped on a wolverine. It
Well,
didn't sell, but
if we turn the ball over 5 times, you'll be doing some stomping.
wow. Wow.
Have a good holiday, Your
Yeah,
Honor.
next week's not going to be a good week for me, but that's okay.